Hello and welcome back. Today I decided to make a guide for the Great Heroes Trial side quest in Mead because this quest absolutely drove me crazy. And since I'm probably not alone in this, I wanted to help you so you don't end up spending hours searching for the items needed to complete it. So let's get started. You can find the quest in the bamboo abode, the area you started. By the way, there's also a shrine puzzle and a meow meow challenge right here, but let's not get sidetracked. Let's get a quest moving. First talk to little Rang Rang in the pavilion by the water. So, she's basically asking you to cut down the thickest tree, bring down the highest bird and scale the ladderless tower. And we are going to do just that. Let's start with the tree. And yes, you guessed right, it's the one we climbed at the beginning. But first, don't forget about the chest behind the waterfall. Chop down the tree and here you go. The first wooden blade. For the second one, we have to go a little further. Head past the pavilion and soon you'll meet Shi Chen Chen. You can talk to her for a bit. She seems somewhat tied to the quest as well, though she's not relevant for completing it. If you continue along the shoreline, you'll eventually reach a wooden tower with no ladder to climb it. That's the one we're looking for. But first, clear the area so you don't get attacked while trying to climb it. And of course, don't forget the chest. Oh, oops! Now that everything is safe, we can take our time getting on top of the tower. Use the card as levitation point. See the small board sticking out? That's where we want to go. Use triple jump and dash here. And again. There it is, the next wooden blade for our collection. The bird was really tricky though. I finally found it near the first kitten we encountered in the game, close to the starting point. Jump onto the rocks, the next one I mean, and once you're in range, shoot the bird down. Now you get your third token. Now we have all 3 items, and all that's left is heading back to Rang Rang. The fastest way is down the waterfall and through this beautiful little valley. Have I ever mentioned how much I love this game? It's really beautiful. Talk to the little rascal, give her the items you collected, and the quest is complete. Congratulations, you did it! Out of curiosity, I followed her to her master, but nothing happened here. I hope this guide was helpful and saved you some time and nerves. Stay well, and may we meet again. Bye!